Hello, everybody, and welcome to our class here at Rasmussen College on Comparative Politics. I'm your instructor, Professor Christopher L. Howard. I want to take the minute to welcome everybody to the course and give you guys a brief overview of the course and what's to be expected in the class each and every week. We're on a 6-week schedule, guys, so this is a very quick class, and it's going to be an extremely busy 6 weeks, so I want to brace everybody for that, as we will have papers due each week, plus a main paper that will be due in week 5. The main paper will be on 3 different topics. You can choose between the United States, which will cover the last election in 2016. You can talk about Mexico, which will cover Mexican politics and Mexican political parties and the election of Vicente Fox and the corruption of the Mexican political system. Or you can talk about Nigeria and the political corruption in Nigeria that has led Nigeria to still be a third world nation, not to have truly developed in terms of all its resources and oil and the different issues that Nigeria still faces. So we need to start thinking about that main project, guys. It'll be due in week 5. Thesis and outline will be due in week 3. Looking at our class, guys, each and every week we'll have a discussion board. This week, your initial postings will be due on Wednesday. Here after that, it will be due on Tuesday, which will be our day that initial discussion board postings are due. Each and every week, the reply posting to a fellow classmate will be due on Friday. I'm going to post a response question in everybody's posting on Wednesdays of each week. It'll be Thursday of this week, and you guys are free to respond to my question as well if you want to. That will also count toward a reply comment. Papers will be due each and every week on Sunday, guys. We have our first paper this week, which is on Fall of the Wall. The Fall of the Wall paper will be dealing with the fall of the Berlin Wall and how it was a symbol for the end of communism and its impact on the German division between East and West Germany and how it helped lead to the unification of Germany. So that paper will be coming up and due on Sunday. Each and every module, guys, has a grading rubric in it. So you can pull up the grading rubric and see what's expected of the assignment, and you can use that to help you write the assignment each and every week. So we have our discussion boards, we have our writing assignments, and we also have our live classroom, guys. We have one live classroom per week. This current week, it'll be on Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. It'll be 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we are having a poll question in our live classroom section of the course where you will go in and vote for the selection you want to have the day and time for modules 2 through 6 for the live classrooms. The selection with the most votes at the end of the week will become the day and time for our live classrooms from modules 2 to the end of the course in week 6. So remember to vote for that, guys. That poll will close on Sunday as well also, and the choice with the most votes will be the time and date. It's an interesting course, guys. We'll be talking about a lot of issues this week. We're looking at globalization, the global south, environmental issues. And then next week, we'll start our examination of the countries that we'll be going through. We'll cover countries from all corners of the world. We'll be looking at Iraq, Iran, India, China, Russia, Germany, France, Britain, and even the United States. So it should be an interesting class, guys. We'll be examining nations, and we'll be comparing the different governments in the nations, different societies in the nations, how are they similar to the United States, how are they different from the United States. So it should be a very interesting class, guys, as we cover a lot of these various nations. I'm going to take the time, guys, to also tell you guys my contact information is located in the syllabus, which is over on the left-hand side of the class. Click on syllabus, go to contact information, you'll find it. And also, guys, remember the importance of the calendar. The calendar is located on the right-hand side of the class underneath my picture. That's going to have you guys' dates and times when everything is due. Professor office hours are on there. So always check the calendar. Always make sure you're keeping up with the calendar because it's an extremely important part of our class. And also, guys, if you need to send me an email, you got my contact information. Like I said, it's in the syllabus. You can text, you can call, you can send an email, and I'll respond to you guys within 24 hours, maybe a little bit longer on the weekend, maybe around 48 hours. But usually I'm pretty good about getting back to you guys within 24 hours if you have any questions or concerns about the class. Also, guys, if you cannot make a live seminar, you do have the ability to do the makeup, which is in the live classroom section of the course. I'm going to put the archive recording of each and every live classroom in there. That will also include an archive poll question. You must answer the archive poll question correctly in order to get credit for the live classroom that you missed. You don't get a second chance on it, so you must be sure you get it correct the first time you take it. Other than that, guys, it's a hectic class. It's going to go very fast over the course of the next 6 weeks, but it's a very fun class. We're covering a ton of material, a ton of different nations. It's an extremely exciting subject matter. It's the current events, encompasses all the politics of the world, all the major issues of the world. I enjoy teaching. I've taught it here at Rasmussen for several terms, and it's always a fun class because it's always a modern and current class. So, guys, remember, if you need me, you have my contact information. Just drop me a line whenever you need to, and I will provide any assistance I can. And other than that, guys, I hope to see you guys in our first live classroom this coming Friday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time.